Another Arkansas amendment in danger of being thrown out before the November election. THV11's Carter Thweet tells us about a lawsuit that could throw a wrench for the casino initiative.
Today, our ballot question committee turned in over 162,000 signatures in support of our amendment to the Constitution.
That amendment would require communities to hold a special election before allowing a casino to come to town. It'll be on the November ballot, but a recent lawsuit wants to make sure any votes for it aren't counted.
It happened with respect to the abortion amendment, and it's happening with respect to the proposed casino amendment, which would take the license away from Pope County.
The lawsuit was filed August 1st by a group called the Arkansas Canvassing Compliance Committee, which was formed that same day. It claims that local voters in charge who sponsored the amendment broke a few rules in their pursuit of signatures.
First, they are alleging a lot of misconduct in terms of the signature gatherers misrepresenting what the proposal would do.
That's legal expert Joshua Silverstein, and he says on that first part of the lawsuit, we'll have to wait and see what evidence is produced. But the second part is a little different.
What is being argued is that the wrong people signed the certification, that it wasn't the members of the actual ballot committee, local voters in charge, it was the firm that hired the signature gatherers that signed the certifications.
Silverstein says local voters in charge argued that those firms signed the certifications legally as agents of the group. He says he's skeptical.
But I think there's a really good argument that the agency argument made by the ballot committee is not going to work.
The Arkansas Supreme Court is currently hearing arguments from both sides. That trial began Tuesday. Carter Thweet, THV11 News.
Neither local voters in charge or the Canvassing Compliance Committee were able to give on-camera interviews with the trial ongoing. However, they did both send statements on the lawsuit, which you can read on THV11.com.